Greetings dear traders. Today in this video I will show you and tell you how I earned $1,109 using a new strategy. Each of you can earn $1,000 every day. The strategy is suitable for people who are just starting to trade. If you are interested in me, then stay with me. I will show you everything. Friends, at the moment in my Telegram channel I help my subscribers to earn money from trading. I give free consultation, signals and bonus for successful trading. Follow the link in the description and don't miss your chance. Now, let's talk about the strategy itself, which will help you to reach an income of $1,000 per day. Its essence lies in two simple but effective indicators, Stochastic and EMA. It is very easy to figure them out. If the two lower lines of the indicator intersect with each other and move down, then this is a downward signal. If they cross the upper values and move up, then you need to open a deal to increase. And everything is simple, and now I will better show you everything by example. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put the type candles in the chart, set the time frame for 30 minutes, then turn on two indicators EMA and stochastic. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. Setting the ECA composite index, the transaction time is 1 minute. Now let's move on to the transactions. I immediately open a $80 short trade and proceed to the analysis. Firstly, I see the intersection of the indicator lines out to the lower edges as well as the general downward trend. These are our signals. Get started friends, $154 is already on my balance, and now we can move on to the next transaction. It's time for the second trade and I am opening a trade for an increase. As I see the beginning of a bullish candle, a general upward movement and weak adjustment, a good and simple analysis by the indicator is how our strategy works. By the way, if you are looking for the perfect trading platform, you are in luck because I know a great option, all-in trade. Here each transaction is a big profit with fast withdrawal of the funds, transparent transactions. So join my Telegram channel to not only receive bonuses but also keep up to date with the latest news and strategy for successful trading. I have already made a good result. My balance is $297, but I will not stop. Let's move on. So I am opening my third promotion deal. I see the general upward movement of the chart, the intersection of the indicator lines to the upper values. It's very simple. Wonderful. My balance is growing by leaps and bounds. It is already $575 and now let's move on to the last deal for today. So it's time for the last trade and there is a confident and upward trend on the chart. The indicator lines are rapidly going up and intersecting to the upper values. This is a signal to increase, so I open a deal and wait. The last deal is over and my balance is as much as $1,109. This is an incredible result which I spent several minutes on. It's hard for me to believe a great strategy is equal to a good balance. You have seen everything for yourself, friends. Before saying goodbye, I will ask you to follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. There I communicate with my subscribers every day. Help them earn $1,000+. Share strategies and signals for the trading. So join us soon.